વિડીયો તમને ગમતો હોય તો લાઈક કરો, શેર કરો ને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરો.
Good morning to all and happy Independence Day. I speak on the Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born in 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat, in a Hindu family. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His father name was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother name was Putlibai. His father Karamchand Gandhi was Chief Minister of Porbandar. He is always wear the simple dhoti made from khadi. His death 30 January 1948. People always love and respect him. Thank you to listen me.
વિડીયો તમને ગમતો હોય તો લાઈક કરો, શેર કરો ને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરો.